Alright. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my reaction to Jujutsu Kaisen. We are at the finale, baby. I didn't even realize that we were here. I thought that we had a few more episodes to go through before we reach the finale, but here we are, and I can't wait to get into it. There are two curses, three sorcerers. While the sorcerers are outnumbering the curses are extremely overpowered and things could get messy, especially because there's not a lot of backup. I don't know if the people who are supposed to come to take over the case from our three beautiful first years are going to reach on time. So this is going to be really scary. I can't wait. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go. Hope they are all alive by the end of this finale. That's all I require from them at this point.
つが吐いた血、何かな？毒かな？
I am glad that he dodged that blood then. Goodness gracious. I mean, I would have dodged it either ways because that's yuck. But also at the same time, if a few drops would have ended on me, I wouldn't have been like, oh my god, let me clean myself off first. I would focus on the fight. So I am glad that he managed to escape the blood splatters. Fun. The stall owners at a fair would absolutely hate Nobara, wouldn't they? Because she's got such good aim, especially with the whack-a-mole. She would win all the stuffed animals. Good for her.
モグラ叩きの要領でいいのよね。
ああ、
限定的とはいえ、術式範囲が広い分、本体に攻撃能力がないってこと。
不安材料だった術式範囲、被害者数、結界、すべてが本体に引き算として作用してる。ラッキーだ。
Like, I get it, okay, but I feel like Megumi is underselling this particular curse way too quickly. With every statement he spouts, I am like, why are you playing with the gods of irony? Like, don't do it. If it is easy, just get rid of them. Don't even think about the fact that it's way too easy. Do not do that.
これなら、早いうちに払える。
問題ない。あんたはモグラを叩け。
あいつよく吸い込まれるな。にしてもなんだ今の。どちらでもない。栗崎
Is there another special grade here? Like, what is going on?
放っておいていいのか？そのまま追え。予想以上にめんどくせえのとバッティングしてるかもしんねえ。やばくなったら、シールドも出てこいよ。
He was literally like, don't die. Oh, I am stressed now.
女性でしたか。これは失礼。
Why is everyone from Ghetto's side so creepy, eh? Like, not a single person is someone that I can want to have a chat with at some point in time. Like, I look at their faces and I'm like, I must smack them. Also, is this the dude who put the veil earlier during the exchange program? Or is he like another one of the cursed womb thingies?
てっきり同じお使いかと。
裏の取り方、単純なんだよ。な、言ったろ。単純だって。
Look, that was fun to see, okay, but I can't stop myself from being like, stop taunting the curse. Stop it. Goodness, I don't even know why. I have a feeling this is going to go bad. It's not as simple as it looks.
生き残り？結界のどちだ？呪霊の行動パターンに合理性を求めすぎてはいけない。なぜ今になってマーキングした人間の呪殺を始めたのか。一人目の呪殺は6月。
Coincidence? I think not. This looked so similar to that prison cursed womb, didn't it? So, Suguna's fingers is the starting point, or Itadori swallowing Sukuna's finger is the starting point. But Sukuna's fingers were found there even before Itadori ingested it. So who started putting Sukuna's fingers around? When did it start becoming a priority randomly? Is it somewhat related to Geto's terrorist attack that he did the previous year? I have a feeling it is. I have a feeling that something Geto did brought Sukuna's fingers back into action. Somehow, I don't know, but that's the vibe I am getting. Anyways, fun. Let's get on with it.
気配が大きすぎるもの。息を潜めているもの。すでに呪霊に取り込まれているもの。取り込まれた呪霊の中で、力を抑えていたスクナの指が、6月の虎杖の受肉をきっかけに呪力を解放したんだ。
That makes sense. Fun. Because the owner is active, all of the fingers got activated. Oh, that's actually really cool. Good theory.
強い。
Thank you, my beautiful doggy. Thank you. I have a feeling he's not going to be able to come out of this unscathed. Do we have other people who can help out here? Because I'm hoping that the girl who brought them around from the administration office, the one who was really quick on her feet, I am hoping that she called for reinforcements and backup because these 3 kids are way too new to the game and inexperienced as opposed to other people who have already been there. Like, yes, Itadori has practiced and done a lot of things. And I am assuming so have Megumi and Nobara, but still it's like they are so young and I hope that they have backup because god dang, I'm worried about them.
はーい。また僕の勝ち。有事に追い越されて焦った？
背に腹は変えられませんから。
そんなに嫌？僕に頼るの。めぐみ、本気の出し方知らないでしょ。自分がアウトになっても、野原の塁を進めたかった？それはご立派。でも、ユージや僕なら常にホームランを狙う。野球は団体競技。でも呪術師はあくまで個人競技。
I love that there are touchbacks on these episodes that would have been considered filler episodes, okay? But it's fun to see that every part of the storyline has a reason for it to exist here and I am here for it. Ooh, so self-sabotage just to ensure that other people go out there and win. So I love the fact that Gojo is setting the record straight that yes, be a team player. But when you're a Jujutsu sorcerer, you gotta be thinking for yourself. Gotta be aiming for the best every single time, no matter what. Ooh, fun. I'm here for it. The question then becomes, why is he holding himself back? Like, is there a mental block in place here? What's the vibe? His dad? His sister? His own mindset? Can't wait to find out.
でも周りに味方が何人いようと、死ぬ時は一人だよ。少し未来の強くなった自分を想像できない。君の奥の手のせいかな。最悪自分が死ねば全て解決できると思ってる。それじゃ僕どころか、ナナミにもなれないよ。死んで勝つと、死んでも勝つわ。全然違うよ。
Can you all tell how much I loved that conversation by Gojo for Megumi? He needed to hear that. Imagine having the trump card of like, oh, you know what? If everything else fails, I'ma die. That's the worst case scenario, but I'm okay with it. But he's like, don't do that. That is not a solution. So good. I am here for it.
もっと欲張れ。
極限は破壊。術式が解けたか。
I was like, oh no, looks like he got the realization a bit too late. Don't give up, Megumi, you got this. I mean, I would be out. I would be like, that's it, man. Take me out. But then I'm hoping that Megumi is a better person than me.
ここまで。だな。古部。ゆらゆら。
宝の持ち腐れだな。
やめだ。影の奥行きをすべて吐き出す。具体的なアウトラインは後回し。重力を練ったそばから押し出していけ。イメージしろ。自由に。限界を超えた未来の自分を。やってやるよ。領域展開。観光暗営て。不完全。ブサイクミートだ。だが今はこれでいい。
I am here for unhinged Megumi because he looks so unhinged, it's kind of wild. Good on him for unlocking the domain expansion, even though it's incomplete. But like, you know what? I am really curious as to what the sacred technique is, because he stopped himself from doing that twice. Is that the trump card? Is that the final technique that he has, that if I do this, it will get rid of the opponent in front of me, but it will also get rid of me? Is that why he keeps stopping himself from doing it? But oh yo, I'm here for unhinged Megumi.
もっと自由に。
玉剣根の爪は、あれにも傷をつけた。不意のお前を貫くくらいわけないさ。
That was hype to see, because when the curse disrupted the entire domain expansion, I was like, but then boom shakalaka, the demon dog came in and destroyed it. Fun! Let's go! OP Megumi. I'm here for it.
疲れた。
That's absolutely understandable, kind sir. I too would be absolutely tired and knackered. Give me a vacation so I can sleep for like 3 days after this. Also, I have a feeling he's going to give that finger to Yuji and Yuji is going to swallow it and get more powered up. But somewhere deep down, Geto might have planned this. I don't know, man. That man thinks like 20 steps ahead. Fun overall. Let's go.
それでいい。
Well, at least Sukuna looks hyped up to see Megumi get better in life, become a better Jujutsu sorcerer. Does that mean I'm just like Sukuna? Nah.
わかるか？
わかりません。
私はあなたを殺しません。だからあなたも私を殺さないでくださいだ。要は相手の尊厳を脅かさない線引き。互いの実在をなす過程。それがルールだ。
I was like, no, don't give me flashback right now. I just want to see what is happening, where the battle is right now, and where did Nobara and Yuji end up. But then we saw Mob Gangster Megumi sitting atop a bunch of people and giving us wisdom. Crazy.
俺ら、お前に何かしたか？
てめえで考えろ。それか死ね。
Goodness, it's almost like you sneezed in front of me while I was walking. How could you do that? That's why you got beat up. That man is going to think about every single thing he has done and overthink himself into anxiety and panic attacks. Good on Megumi, dropping people and dropping wisdom like that.
でも、次のターゲット俺になっちゃうかも。だから頑張りすぎるな、愛だし。
おい、デブコラ！
どうもおるのか、愛だし。
うるせえ！悪人が嫌いだ。サラチみてえな想像力と感受性で、一丁前に息をしやがる。許すことを格調高く捉えてる。気持ち悪い。
あ、ごめん。中身が出るとは。
I don't think she's an example of a good person. I mean, you know what though? I've hit my brother harder than that, so like fair. She was just like, I hit you. I meant to hit you. It was meant to hurt you. I didn't mean for it to spill out. My bad about that particular part, but that particular part only.
小一の時、俺の父親と積み木の母親、それぞれの片親がくっついて、蒸発した。白髪の怪しい男が言ってた。君のお父さんさ、善院っていういいとこの呪術師の家系なんだけど、僕が低レベルのろくでなしで、お家出てって君を作ったってわけ。君のお父さんが善院家に対して取っておいた最高のカードだったんだよ。蒸発資金の謎が解けた。俺は善院家とやらに売られたらしい。ああ、ムカつくよ。あんたのそのデリカシーのなさが特に。しかもそのムカつく男が善院家の剣を帳消しにして、俺が将来呪術師として働くことを担保に、
俺たち二人の交戦からの金銭的援助を通してくれた。
Megumi's backstory is so wild that at every point you're like, huh? You? What? Huh? So, Gojo is essentially Megumi's dad. Fair. Got it. Wild. Stop moving your fingers like that, you creep.
間もなく積み木が呪われた。正体不明、出自不明。全国に同じような被呪者がいるらしい。何もわからないということだけが分かって、積み木は寝たきりになった。
人を許せないのは悪いことじゃないよ。それも恵みの優しさでしょ。
俺が助ける人間を選ぶように、俺を選んで心配してくれてたんだろ。悪かったよ。ガキだったんだ。謝るからさ。さっさと起きろよ。バカ兄貴。
Aww. Poor baby. Wild for him to just fall asleep like that. I thought he genuinely fell unconscious, but they were like, no, he just fell asleep. Don't worry about it. Don't think too hard about it. Focus on Nobara right now and Yuji. You know what though? I was genuinely worried that Megumi is going to swallow that finger just for the sake of it. I'm glad he didn't. I mean, I knew he wouldn't, but still, like, for the briefest second while he was looking at the finger, I was like, please don't swallow it. I'm glad he didn't.
こいつ、指のところに向かう気か。舐めた走り方しやがって。そんなんでちぎれると思ってんのかよ。
私自分の背中がコンプレックスでして、私の背中を見たら殺しを。
釘崎
忍者Not Yuji apologizing because he's like, I am sorry, man. I looked into your insecurity. That was not my intention at all. Like, I'm gonna kill you, but I am sorry for viewing your insecurity. Wild.
じゃあなんでそんな格好してんだよ。
Honestly, such a fair question by Nobara. Like, cover it up if you don't want people to see it. He just wanted to walk like that.
無連だよ。クラン不実、極の番。しろ。マチゴロシ。
That looked cool briefly while I assumed that proper wings would sprout, but no, it was just like skeletal wings. Fun, I guess. Let's see how they deal with this.
今暑くて何もする気が起きない。
シグロが逆乱されてる
何よその女。私の瞳に乾杯した夜を忘れたの。
俺といる時が一番楽しいってあれは嘘だったの。
何？マジで何？
気安く触らないでもらえるかしらん？泥棒猫ちゃんたち！めぐみちゃんはこれから私と一緒にバイオリンのお稽古なのよ。帰るわよ。めぐみちゃん。今日こそキラキラ星をマスターしてもらうわん。
大丈夫。気にせず行ってください。駅はここまっすぐです。
ありがとうございます。
で、マジでなんすか？恥ずかしいんでやめてもらえます。
The reason why he hit Yuji was like, how could you say that? How could you say what you said? These people I can understand. How could you do this to me? Crazy. I am here for it. Oh, that was genuinely fun. And might just be one of my favorite end credit scenes. With that being said, let's move on to the finale episode of season 1 of Jujutsu Kaisen. But before we do that, if you're enjoying my content as much as I enjoyed Unhinged Megumi, feel free to check out my Patreon where you get early access to as well as extended cuts of the content that I put on YouTube. Plus, you get to cheer me on and support me so that I can keep creating more fun content for you guys to enjoy. With that being said, let's move on to the next episode. Let's go.
釘崎あの血触んなよ
わからいで。
She was like, don't you think I know it? And then the blood just splattered past her. Oh my goodness. I think she dodged it, but like wild. His skeletal wings made out of blood are pretty cool. I was wrong, I admit it.
背中は任せろ。
頼んだ
Oh, I am glad that Nobara is not immediately someone who becomes like a burden. She's like, I've got your back. I'm taking care to ensure that nothing happens to you while you run, while carrying me. Ooh, I like that.
よし、射程外だな。
よくやった。褒めて使わす。
えい、えい。
嘘。ありがとう。
最短距離で先回りされたか。
Yo, what's happening? Now that's a finale. He got blasted by poison acid blood. Ooh. She did too. Oh, come on. Oh, the stakes. The stakes are high. I am here for it. I am freaked out and stressed out for them because I don't know how they're going to get out of this. I am assuming two things, okay? Itadori is going to do Black Flash a couple of times to get rid of the weird Two-Face curse, and or we are going to have Sukuna do his domain expansion to get rid of both of them, because Megumi is at the level where he got rid of a special grade curse by himself, which is, hey, congratulations, Unhinged Megumi for the win. Itadori is in a similar range as Megumi, if not like, a tad bit higher up. But I am guessing we are going to need Sukuna's help to get rid of both of them. I don't know if Sukuna is going to agree though. That finger is definitely getting swallowed right away. Whatever, man, I am not even gonna theorize. I'm really worried about these kiddos I wanna watch.
私のだって全身に浴びれもしない限り死にはしません。まあ死ぬほど痛みますがね。
Or he could be lying.
私たちの術式はここからです。触乱不術。9。
Now listen, the thing is, I know Kugisaki is going to survive. I know Itadori is going to survive. How much pain are they going to go through before they survive? This is my question.
そちらの少年は持って15分。お嬢さんの方は10分が限界でしょう。術式の開示は済んだ。実際はもっと早く死ぬな。
身に覚えのない解任に始まり、親類縁者からの風当たりは常軌を逸し、9度の解任、9度の打退。それらがどのように行われ、その後彼女がどうなってしまったのか、一切の記録は破棄されている。呪体クソーズ、1番から3番。特級に分類されるほどの呪術。その呪力の起源は、母の恨みか。
150年。お互いの存在だけを頼りに封印を保ってきた。
Man, that took such a dark turn. Poor lady.
エソーはケチズのために。ケチズは俺のために。俺はエソーのために生きる。俺たちは3人で一つだ。
でも残念。私との相性最悪だよ。スレイチホ友なりならさっさと泣きながら術式解けよ。
こちらの術式を解かねばこれが続くというわけか。
Let's go, Novara. You know what I just realized? The previous episode and this episode is amping up to raise both Megumi and Nobara to Yuji's level so that they're all at an equal stage, if you will. If we do not consider Sukuna's presence, all of them are at a similar level and I am here for it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I am here for Nobara just being like, it's either you or me. The world will never be the same.
弟の方にも聞いたのは棚ぼただな。このままじゃどうせ死ぬんだ。じゃんじゃか友なりぶち込んでやる。
我慢さえしていれば、いずれ死ぬのはあなた方。
Why are you guys not considering that Yuji is still there? He's still there and he's gonna beat you up.
Q の発動中は痛みと毒でまともに動け。なぜそこまで動ける？
友なり虎杖は猛毒、呪いの王、両面スクナの器。故に、あらゆる毒に耐性がある。 うるせえな。
スイッチオンだ。術式を解くか否か。このままでは弟を助けに行けない。Q の発動中に使用は出せない。だが、今のあの女に弟を殺すだけの余力があるか。
Nobara has the power to be extremely petty, so you don't have to worry about the fact whether she has enough strength left or not. I am loving this so much. Oh my goodness gracious. I am genuinely enjoying this fight so much.
絶対に術式を解かない。
俺たちは三人で一つだ。
Let's go! He released the technique. Ooh. How much emotions do they have? Is it just that because they are like a mix of human and curse that they have like superior emotions and are therefore connected to each other with that much depth? I am really curious. Seriously fun though. Like, get rid of them. I am sorry, but like, get rid of them. I don't care.
気づいた時には術式を解いていた。なんだ今の黒い光は。弟よ。死ぬな、弟よ。
まだ、こっちは見せてなかったわね。かんざし。
You know what, Nobara? No, you didn't show that to us yet. I am so grateful that you showed that to us now. Goodness, the way she turned around, okay? And she was hardly bothered. She was like, I haven't shown this to you yet, have I? Help it. Oh! So good, let's go! Oh, I am here for it.
ごめん。兄さん、私がついていながら。
こいつなんで消えない？
Ooh, the older brother's gonna come now.
女よ、呪術師。だが必ず私が仇を。あの女、何をしている。
スレジュホ。とも
ごめん。
Masterpiece. That was perfection. When the light flashed from behind Kugisaki, I genuinely thought the older brother's gonna come. But then I realized that no, they're standing in the middle of a road. And then everything worked so beautifully together. Oh, so good. I am here for it. Now that's how you write a finale. Goodness gracious.
で、
てかなんでこうすんの？
エソーケチズを殺したのは、呪術高専1年、虎杖裕二と、その一派だ。
Yeah, see, so he definitely planned it out. If he's least bothered by it, he definitely planned it out. How is the older brother going to react? Though is my question.
伏黒じゃないけどさ、結局助けられる人間なんて限りがあんのよ。
I think this is another fun conversation for Yuji to have because not fun, more like important conversation because he does carry a lot of the guilt of like, oh, I'm killing off people or I'm not giving them their proper deaths. And someone who is at a similar level like him, at a similar age like him, telling him that there are only so many people I can save and at the end of the day, I can't like, carry the burden of all the people that I couldn't with me because then it will make it difficult or sometimes even impossible for me to carry on doing the work that I'm doing. It's really important for him to hear this from Nobara. So like,
私の人生の席っていうか、そこに座ってない人間に私の心をどうこうされたくないのよね。ま、あんたみたいに自分で椅子持ってきて座ってるやつもいるけどね。
でも、あいつ泣いたんだよ。目の前で弟が死んで。
俺は自分が、釘崎が助かって生きてて嬉しい。ほっとしてる。それでも、俺が殺した命の中に涙はあったんだなって。
Honestly, this further cements in Nobara's mind that this kid is something so precious and so good that even if he is Sukuna's vessel, he is doing his utmost to be the best he can be and save as many lives as he can. And he grieves and mourns for the people that he couldn't save. Not completely, and not like, it's not like a deep grieving and mourning situation, but it hits him. It hurts him, and so good.
おう、戻ったか。
死んでるのかと思ったよかった
俺、食べようか。
残飯じゃねえんだよ。
念を押すが食うなよ。
犬並みの理解力だと思われてるな。俺
Blame Sukuna. Why did you both look at him like he did? It was his mistake. He was just as shocked as you were. That was clever.
特級相当、かっこ撃破。今年の一年は豊作だね。僕の指導者としての腕がいいのかな。虎杖、スクナの受肉はきっかけに過ぎない。だから言うな。
言わねえよ。
Oh, he's like, don't tell that to Yuji, otherwise it would absolutely break him. And such good friends. I mean, boyfriend and like best friend at this point. But like, hey, they're looking out for him. I love that for them. I wonder why Gojo sent so much money to Mei though. I'm really curious about that. Like, what has she been doing?
お前のせいだ。お前が俺を取り込んだ。目覚めたんだよ。切り分けた俺の魂たちが。
Sukuna, you bitch. Why did you have to say that, huh? Should have let it, no? He's like, I will torture you consistently. Why? Because I can. That's all there is to it. Goodness gracious.
小僧、お前がいるから人が死ぬんだよ。
おい、それ伏黒に言うなよ。
自分が助けた人間が将来人を殺したらどうする？
言うなよ。
一級こそ他の術師、ひいては呪術界を牽引していく存在だとわしは考えておる。
全員巻き、パンダ、
伏黒めぐみ、釘崎野原、そしてマイブラザー虎杖裕二、以上5名を東堂葵、
命名の名のもとに
一級術師に推薦する。
Why not the onigiri toppings dude whose name I obviously forgot again, even though I genuinely like him so much? Is he already a first grade sorcerer? I don't think so.
一個でも落としたら殺すわよ。
No, listen, why did you blush, Megumi? Why did you blush? What was that blush for is my question, okay? Is he just embarrassed? Because come on, I saw you sit atop a pile of students in high school. Why are you embarrassed now? Huh? Yay, that was fun. I mean, that was genuinely a good finale and I loved the writing of it where they gave us some time to just like have a breather after like a big climax and a fight. Really, really good. I'm enjoying the writing of this so far. Can't wait to see the next few episodes. However, I will be taking a bit of a breather. I will finish watching Frieren, and once season 1 is done, I will pause Frieren and then I'll start watching Jujutsu Kaisen season 2. I am really excited to do that. With all of that being said, let me know down in the comments below what you thought about these 2 episodes, my reactions and my theories, and I shall see you in the next one. Until then, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Toodaloo.